Mathematics class 11, chapter 8, binomial theorem. Exercise 8.1. Expand each of the expressions in exercise 1 to 5. Question number 1, 1 minus 2x power 5. Okay, so we have to use the binomial expansion and expand these. So binomial expansion is a plus b power n equal to, here n is there, so nc 0. Here we start with 0, 1, 2 and up to n. Okay, so we'll start with 0 and n remains fixed. That is, here 5 is there. Instead of n is 5. So I'll start with 5, then 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 5 it will go. Okay, ncn. So that is NCN here, right? And the first term power is starting with n and decreasing one by one. Okay, and second term power starts with 0 and then increasing by 1. So let us start here. Here n is 5, right? So you write 5c0, 1 power 5, but 1 power 5 is 1, therefore I write only 1. Okay, next power n, 1 power anything is 1, therefore I will not be writing that. Okay, so plus 5c1, 1 power will become 4 and minus 2x power 1 plus 5c2 minus 2x power 2. Okay, increase by 1 this power, and 1 power anything is 1, so I have not written, plus 5c3 minus 2x power 3 plus 5c4 minus 2x power 4 plus 5c5 minus 2x power 5. Okay, up to this value you have to go. So it will this increase by 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5. Okay, so that is the expansion. Now we have to use the formula NCR and write all these coefficients. These are called binomial coefficients. Okay, so we shall write that using the formula NCR. Formula is n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So here 5 factorial divided by 0 factorial into 5 minus 0, that is 5 factorial. And here 1 is there, that 1 is 1, so I am not writing here. Okay, because this value into 1, this value remains. Minus 2x, so minus will take out. Here 5c1 can be written as 5 factorial divided by 1 factorial into 5 minus 1, that is 4 factorial. Here remains 2x plus this minus 2 power 2, that means this negative power will become plus. Okay, and 2 power will be 4 and x square. 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 5 minus 2, that is 3 factorial. Here 5c3, that is 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial, and 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial, minus 2 power 3. So this, it is odd number of negative power, so the here will come minus, and 2 power 3 is 8 and x cube. Okay, plus 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 5 minus 4, that is 1 factorial, and minus 2 power 4 is 16, it is positive, and x power 4. Here 5c5, that value is actually 1, but I am writing here 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 5 minus 0, 5 minus 5, that is 0, 0 factorial is 1, and minus 2 power 5, that is odd number, so this minus will come minus here. Okay, and 2 power 5 is 32 and x power 5. Now this 5 factorial occurs, so here remains 1, or you just remember that nc0 is always 1 and ncn is also 1. Okay, so this value is 1, minus 5 factorial is written as 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial, 1 factorial is 1 into 2x, plus 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 factorial, 2 factorial is 2 into 1, and this 3 factorial as it is, into 4x square, minus 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 into 1, 8x cube as it is, plus 5 factorial is 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial, 1 factorial is 1, 16x power 4, minus this value also is 1, 5 factorial occurred, or you can remember NCN is 1. So here remains minus 32 into x power 5. Okay, so this value as it is only negative, and this value is 1. So here you can 1 keep as it is, 4 factorial cut, so minus 5 into 2 is 10x, plus here you can cut this 4 by 2, so you get here 5 into 4 is 5 into 2 is 10 and into 4, so 40, and 3 factorial cut, so here x square is here, so 5 to 4, which gives you 40 x square, minus here also I cut 3 factorial, and this 4 you cut by 2, so we get here 2, 5 into 2 into 8, which gives you minus 80 x cube. Here x cube also is there, plus here 4 factorial cut, 60 into 5, that is again 80 into x power 4, minus this is as it is 32 x power 5. So that is solution for question number 1. Question number 2, 2 by x minus x by 2 power 5. Okay, here also the n value is 5, so it will be, expansion will be the same way. Okay, only the terms are different, these terms are different, a and b are different, right? So only the coefficient will be same, but all these value will be different. Okay, so let us solve this. So 5c0, first term 2 by x power 5. Start with maximum power. Here I have not written. Why? Because 1 power anything is 1. Okay, remember that. Plus 5c1. Now this value power will decrease by 1 and this will increase by 1. Okay, so here 2 by x power 4, and the second one is negative sign, so minus x by 2 power 1, plus 5c2. This decrease by 1, 2 by x power 3 into minus x by 2 power 2, plus 5c3. This decrease by 1, so 2 by x square into this increase by 1, so minus x by 2 cube, plus 5c4, 2 by x into minus x by 2 power 4, plus 5c5 minus x by 2 power 5. Okay, it has to go up to 5. Then here this value is 1. Okay, this value is 1, we have done before. Okay, this value is 1 here, so this value is 1, the coefficient. So here 2 power 5 is 32 and x power 5 is x power 5. Here negative is there, power 1 is there, odd number, so it will be minus here. 5c1 is 5, this value is actually 5, and 2 power 4 is 16, x power 4 is x power 4 into x by 2, plus 5c2, that is also 10. Okay, so 10 and 2 cube is 8 divided by x cube. Okay, minus x square by 2, but negative square will be positive, so x square by 4. Okay, minus, here why minus? Because power, this has odd number, odd power, so it will be negative. This coefficient is 10, this value will be 2 square is 4 divided by x square, that will be 4 into this sorry, here I have cut out. Okay, here I have cut out, sorry, it is not cut. Okay, this coefficient is 10 and this 2 square is 4. Okay, and this x square I have written here. Okay, x square is here. Now here minus power odd number, right? Minus power 3, that means this minus will come here, so this minus, and this x cube will be here, and this x by 2 power also 3, so it is 8 here. Okay, so I am cutting in the next step. Okay, here I have not cut, so here you just keep as it is, right? Here just leave it as it is. Now here this value is from here 5c4, we know that value is 5, and this is 2 power 2 by x is as it is, and x power 4 will be x power 4, and 2 power 4 is 16, minus this 5 will become minus because x minus x power 5, so minus power an odd number, so this will become minus, and this value is 1. Okay, 5c1 is 5c5 is 1. I have not see this value for factorial by factorial, so 1. So here also 1, so not written. Here x power 5, 2 power 5 is 32, right? So what you get in the next, this is as it is, 32 by x power 5. This when you multiply and when you cut this 16 by 2, if you cut, you get here 8, and 8 you multiply by 5, so you get here 40, and here x and x power 4, so you can cut this also, so you get here x power 3, so minus 40 by x cube, plus here also we can cut this 8 by 4, right? So here you get 10 into 2, which gives you 20, and here x square and x cube is that also you can cut, so you get here x in the denominator, so 20 by x, minus here you can cut these 4 and 8, and then remains here 2 that you can cut here, so you get 5x. Okay, plus here you can cut 2 by 16 by 2, right? So when you cut here, you get here 8 and here 5, here x and x power 4, so this also you can cut, you get x cube, minus here remains same, x power 5 by 32. Okay, so that is the answer or expansion of question number 2. Okay, so that is the answer, and this is the expansion. Try to understand this part. Okay, these all parts, don't make mistake, otherwise the answer will be wrong. Question number 3, 2x minus 3 power 6. So here n is 6, so you have to start with 6 and you have to go up to 6c6. Okay, so let us start here. 6 is 0, here 2x power 6, this first term will have highest power, and start with highest and decrease by 1. So here you see 2x power 6, 2x power 5, decrease by 1, 6, then 5, then 2x power 4, 5 and 4, then 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, then and the second term will increase by 1, so for beginning it is 0, so c60, 2x power 6 plus 6c1, 2x power 5, and this minus 3 power 1 we do not show, plus 6c2, 2x power 4 minus 3 power 2, plus 6c3 2x power 3 minus 3 power 2, c 3 minus 3 power 1 2 3 increasing, right? Plus 6c4, 2x power 2 minus 3 power 4, 6c5, 2x into minus 3 power 5 plus 6c6 minus 3 power 6. Now here this coefficient is 1, right? So you have to do 2 power 6 and x power 6, which gives you 64 into x power 6, minus this 6c1 I am writing as 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 1, that is 5 factorial. Okay, 2x power 5 is 32 x power 5, and minus this minus will come here, so this is minus and this is 3, plus this can be written as 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 6 minus 2, that is 4 factorial. 2 power 4 is 16, x power 4 minus 3 power 2 is plus 9. Minus 6c3 is 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 6 minus 3, that is 3 factorial. 2x power 3 is 8x cube into minus 3 power 3 is 27, but is negative, that's why this positive I have written negative. Okay, plus this 6c4 is 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 6 minus 4, that is 2, and 2x power 2 is 4x square, minus 3 power 4 is plus 81. And this one 6 factorial, here 6 factorial is 6 factorial divided by 5, na? So it is 5 factorial, and 6 minus 5 is 1, which I have not written, and minus 3 power 5, that is odd number, so this minus is written here and making this negative. 2x as it is, and minus 3 power 5, that is minus has bring front, and 3 power 5 is 243, plus this coefficient is 1, minus 3 power 6 is even, so minus will become plus. Okay, so this remains plus, and 3 power 6 is 729. Okay, so now next we have simplified. So when you simplify, you get this first one as it is. Here you see, here this can be written as 6 into 5 factor, so 5 factor will cut, here remains 6, here this is 3, and this is 32 x power 5, plus here this can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, 2 into 1, and this 4 factorial, this you can cut, and this 6 also you can cut by 2, and this multiplies, we get 144 x power 4, minus 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial as it is, 3 into 2 into 1, 8 into x power 3 into 27, plus this value is plus 6 into 5 factorial into 4 factorial as it is, 2 factorial is 2 into 1, into this multiplies, you get 324 x square, minus 6 into 2x, here if you cut, here see 6 factorial can be written 6 factorial, sorry 6 into 5 factorial, so you can cut, so here remains 6. Okay, here 2x into 243 plus 1 into 729, that is 729. Okay, so further when you can cut this one, you can cut this one. Okay, you can cut this 6 also can be cut by this, and when you simplify, the answer will be after multiplication. Okay, you have to multiply also, so 64 x power 6 minus this product will be 576 x power 5, plus this, when you cut this 2 also you can cut, and when you multiply remaining, you get here as 2160 x power 4, minus this cut. Okay, this 6 cut, then remaining you multiply, so what you get is minus 4320 x power 3, plus this part gives you 4860 x square. Okay, this simplification, this 4 factorial cut, 6 cut. Okay, and this value will be minus, here minus is a minus 2916x, plus this one is as it is 729. So that is the solution for question number 3. Question number 4, x by 3 plus 1 by x power 5. Okay, here n is 5, so we know how to expand power 5. Okay, so start with 5c0, this I am using binomial expansion. Okay, so 5c0 first term x by 3 power 5 plus 5c1 first term power will decrease by 1, so x by 3 power 4, and this increase by 1, so 1 by x, plus 5c2 x by 3 power 3 4, then 3 power, and 1 by x, here power 1 becomes by 2. Okay, increase by 2, plus 5c3 x by 3 power 2 1 by x power 3, plus 5c4 x by 3 1 by x power 4, plus 5c5 1 by x power 5. It has to go up to 5. Okay, because the power is 5. Now this value is 1, and x power 5 is x power 5, and 3 power 5 is 243, plus this value is 5, x power 4 divided by 3 power 4 is 81 into 1 by x, plus this coefficient is 10, x cube by 3 power 3 is 27 into 1 by x square, plus this coefficient also is 10, this is x square by 9, and this is 1 by x cube, plus this coefficient is 5, x by 3 into 1 by x power 4, plus this coefficient is 1, and this is 1 by x power 5. So here this first term as it is, x power 5 by 243, plus this 5 divided by 81, and x power 4 x you can cut, so you get x power 3, plus this 10 divided by 27, and this will give you x cube by x square is x, plus 10 by 9, this x square and x cube, so you can cut 2x, so here remains x, plus 5 by 3, here x and x cube, x power 4, so you can cut 1x, so you get here x power 3, plus here 1 by x power 5. Okay, so that is the solution for question number 4. Question number 5, x plus 1 by x power 6. So here n is 6, so we start with 6c0 x power 6 plus 6c1 x power 5. Okay, this is by starting with 6 and increase by 1 by 1. Okay, and this one start with 0 and increase by 1, so 6c1 x power 5 1 by x plus 6c2 x power 4 1 by x square, this sum should be 6. Okay, plus 6c3 x cube 1 by x power 3 plus 6c4 x square, 1 by x power 4 plus 6c5 x into 1 by x power 5 plus 6c6 1 by x power 6. So here this first term, this value is 1. Okay, this is always 1, this also is always 1. So this is x power 6 remains, plus this will be 6, and here x power 5 into 1 by x, plus this value is 15 into x power 4 into 1 by x square, plus this coefficient is 20 into x cube into 1 by x cube, plus this also is 15 x square into 1 by x power 4, plus this one is 6 x 1 by x power 5, plus this value is 1 by x power 6. Okay, so here x power 6 plus 6 x power 5 and 1 by x, so this you can cut, you get x power 4, plus 15 here x power 4 x square, so you get x square, plus 20 x cube cut, so here only constant term, plus 15 here x square and here 1 by x power 4, so 1 here x square you can cut, so you get here 15 by x square, plus 6 here x and divide by x power 5, so we get here 6 by x power 4 plus 1 by x power 6. Okay, so that is the expansion for question number 5. We'll keep this much for today. Thank you very much.